everybody, I am still continuing to dress up my A Girl for All Time dolls. I have 5 of them and 3 of them with me right now. I already showed you this new outfit of Lydia's, and then I showed you all the clothes, and we picked out something. We, as in I, picked out this outfit for Matilda. She is from the Tudor period, supposedly. She is from the Georgian period, supposedly. And now we have Bex here in her little nightgown, waiting for something to wear. She is one of the modern day dolls, and she doesn't really have much of a story. It's interesting because the historic dolls, a lot of them came with books. Matilda did, at least. I don't think Lydia did. Let me know if you know otherwise. And so there's like a big narrative around these dolls, which also they're supposed to be related to each other. Even though Bex is not a historic doll, I kind of feel like dressing her up in one of the historic costumes. And you can see she's standing, unassisted here, nothing behind her. And that is actually one of the things I really like about these dolls. They're pretty easy to stand up on their own, and I really like that. She is such a pretty doll. Look at that face. I was so excited to get her. It took quite a while. I had to wait quite a while before she was produced again. Because back when they had these dolls, a lot of times they had very small batches made, limited number, or sometimes she would do a pre-order. So you would pre-order the doll, pay for the doll at a time, wait for the doll to come out. And I can't remember if she was a pre-order or not. I probably have an unboxing of her on my channel. And again, I have a playlist with videos for these dolls if you wanted to look over there. But I have their trunk here, and I need to pick out some clothes for her. Something historic, and I don't think I'm going to go with the Matilda outfits. I don't know. This would be pretty on somebody. We have 3 other dolls here. Right, I'm going to dig through here off camera and come back and show you what I decide to put the super cute dolly in today. Decision made, I'm going to go with this. And I've never put this on her before, so I will dress her off camera, and I think she's going to look cute in it, but hold on and let's see. Here's Bex in this cute little yellow dress and hat, and I think it was definitely a good call. She looks adorable in this. This color looks really nice with her skin tone. And all 3 little girls are sitting there. These dolls, by the way, are supposed to be around 13 years old, according to the little stories that go with them. Now this hat is kind of odd. It's basically a flat, sort of just a pancake with a piece of elastic that I have connected to the back of her head. But once you get it styled, it's actually pretty cute. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thanks for stopping by to spend a little dolly time with me. As usual, give this a thumbs up. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.